Hi students, transfer function of electrical circuits. We can find the transfer function of this simple electrical circuit. Now what is transfer function? Transfer function is the ratio of Laplace transform of the output to the Laplace transform of the input, keeping all initial conditions as 0. So the first step, we have to formulate the mathematical model by using that is writing mathematical expression by using some physical laws. So here apply Kirchhoff's voltage law, that is VA is equal to RI plus L into di by dt. Also, output voltage is the voltage across the inductor. So, V0 is equal to L into di by dt. Now, take the Laplace transform of these two equations. So, Vi of s is equal to Ri of s plus S Li of s. Here, we have to apply the differentiation theorem and we are assuming all the initial conditions as 0. So, S Li of s. Similarly, V0 of s is equal to SLI of s. Now take the ratio V0s divided by Vi of s, that's equal to SL divided by R plus SL. That is the answer transfer function. I of s, it will get cancelled. So this is the transfer function. Now we can find the transfer function of this electrical circuit. This is known as phase lead network. This network is used in control system design that you will study in next step. Here we can apply KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. Otherwise, you can use mesh analysis. These two mesh. You can use mesh and any method you can use. Here I am using Kirchhoff's current law, KCL. So I is equal to I1 plus I2. Now we know that I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 by R1. Similarly, I2 is equal to current flowing through this capacitor, that is C into d by dt of V1 minus V2. I3, that is the total current, I is equal to V2 by R2. So substitute these values in this equation, we will get this expression. Now transfer function is Laplace transform of the output variable, that is V2 of s divided by V1 of s. Our aim is to find V2 of s by V1 of s. So take the Laplace transform of this equation and take V2 of s on left hand side and V1 of s on the right hand side, because we want V2 of s by V1 of s. Take V2 of s outside, and in this case we take V1 of s outside. So take the ratio V2 of s by V1 of s is equal to R2 plus R1 R2 CS divided by R1 R2 plus R1 plus R2 plus R1 R2 CS. So this is the answer. Thank you.